Logical operators. So it's very common that in programming that we might want to have an if statement that has more than one bit of criteria. What I mean by that is, let's say we have a number, and that number is retrieved from user input, and we want to see if that number is within a particular range. So we want to make sure that number, let's say we want the number to be larger than 20, and we want the number to be smaller than 40. So if I run this program, it's very simple. If I put in 4, it says number is not between 20 and 40. If I type in 21, it says number is between 20 and 40. Pretty straightforward. But we can write this in a way that doesn't make me want to cry. And that is, we can use some of the logical operators to make our code a lot clearer. I'm going to change this if statement. I want the if statement to say, is the number larger than 20 and is it smaller than 40? And if it is, I want to print out this message. So how can I do that within the same line? Well, that is very easy to do with our logical operators.